Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a realistic jewel light in Photoshop in a more advanced method. Let's get started. Follow my steps accurately and watch the tutorial until the end to get the perfect results. Create a new document according to the size of the image. Import any image you want. And guys, we have created a WhatsApp channel for ourselves. Make sure to join through the link given in the description and the pinned comment. Join us for more updates and useful resources. Next, let's reduce its saturation and make it a black and white image. Adjust its lighting too using the levels menu. Please subscribe our channel and join our family for more useful videos. It will be a great motivation for me to upload more exciting videos on a regular basis. Then, let's create a new solid color. Follow the color code to get the same color. Change its blend mode to color. Open the blending options and do some adjustments. Then create a solid color and change its blend mode to color. Next, to add a realistic light effect, select the areas of the image to add the lighting effect. Make sure to select the corners of the same side of the image so it would be realistic. Then do some adjustments with the mask layer to get the perfect lighting effect. You can change the color as you wish, and you can still have the same effect. And there you have it, a cool dual light effect in Photoshop. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome Photoshop tips and tricks. And don't forget to join our WhatsApp channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.